7:15 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Grove City, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Whitehall, Bobetz, Commercial Point, Lithopolis, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockport, Bryce, Blacklake Estates, and Duval. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 91 and 104. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,